guys, my name is Rashida and today we're going to be making a Yin and Yang keychain. So let's get started. So we're going to draw a heart on a piece of cardboard. So let's get started. After you draw the heart, we cut it out. After you're done cutting the heart out, we take a pencil and draw a zigzag line in the middle. And then we cut it out. After you're done cutting the zigzag lines out, you take a hole puncher and make a hole on the top of each one of the hearts. After you're done making a hole in each of the hearts, you take some black and white nail polish, and if you don't have black and white nail polish, you can use paint, and you paint each of them one color, like this one black and this one white. After the paint or nail polish has dried, for the black one, you take some white paint or nail polish and do a dot right there. And for the white one, you take some black paint or nail polish and put a dot right there. After you've done the dots and they have dried, you can take some clear nail polish and put it on top. But if you don't have any, it's fine. It doesn't really matter. After you've done the layer of clear nail polish and it has all dried, you take a keychain, and if you don't have one, you can just use normal string and then like tie the ends, like that. And then you take the keychain and you put it like here, and you put it through the hole like this. Can you see? And then you take this part and put it through that hole like this, and then you tighten it, but don't do it too hard or else the cardboard's gonna rip. And do the same to the other side. These are Yin and Yang keychains finished. They're super cute, and you can also connect them like this. You can give one to your friend or sibling, and I had lots of fun making this. I hope you did too. If you enjoyed this video, then smash the like button and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!